Hey, digital marketers and content creators, are you struggling to find the right keywords for your website, blog, or YouTube channel? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the best free keyword research tools that you can use to level up your SEO strategy without spending a dime. We'll dive deep into each tool, explore its unique features, and I'll share some pro tips on how to maximize your results. Remember, choosing the right keywords is the foundation of attracting your target audience, driving organic traffic, and ultimately growing your online presence. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing SEO strategy, stick around because these free tools are game changers. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Google Keyword Planner, your SEO Swiss Army knife. First up is the Google Keyword Planner. This tool is a staple in the SEO world and a great starting point. While it's primarily designed for Google Ads, you can use it to discover valuable keyword data, including search volume, competition level, and keyword ideas. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, why should I care about an ads tool when I'm all about that organic traffic? And that's a fair point. But here's the thing. Google Keyword Planner gives you a direct line to what people are searching for on the world's biggest search engine. That's valuable intel, my friends. Think of it like this. Keyword Planner is your market research hub within the Google ecosystem. It's where you go to understand the language your target audience is using. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? When you plug a keyword into Keyword Planner, you're not just getting a number for search volume, you're getting insights into user intent. Are people looking to buy, learn, or simply explore? Understanding this is key to crafting content that resonates and ranks. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're in the fitness niche and you're trying to promote your new online yoga course. You might start by plugging in a broad keyword like yoga. Keyword Planner will then show you related keywords like yoga for beginners, yoga poses for back pain, or online yoga classes. See how that works? You're getting more specific, more targeted, and you're starting to understand the different ways people search for information related to yoga. This is gold for your content strategy. But here's a pro tip. Don't just focus on the high-volume keywords. Those are often super competitive and difficult to rank for, especially when you're starting out. Instead, look for those long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that people search for. They might have lower search volume individually, but trust me, they add up. Plus, they're less competitive, meaning you have a better chance of ranking higher in search results. Going back to our yoga example, instead of targeting yoga, you might go after yoga for beginners at home, or best online yoga classes for flexibility. See the difference? You're getting laser-focused on a specific audience and their specific needs. And that's the beauty of Google Keyword Planner. It's not just about finding keywords, it's about understanding your audience, their search behavior, and using that knowledge to create content that ranks and converts. So don't underestimate the power of this free tool. It's a gold mine of data waiting to be unearthed. Chapter 2. Answer the Public, Unlocking Your Audience's Questions. Next on the list is Answer the Public. This tool is perfect for generating keyword ideas in the form of questions, prepositions, and comparisons. It's especially useful if you're looking to create content that answers specific queries. You know me, I'm all about getting inside your audience's head. And that's exactly what Answer the Public helps you do. This tool is like a window into the minds of your potential customers, revealing the questions, doubts, and comparisons they're making online. Here's the deal. When people search on Google, they're not just typing in random words. They're asking questions, looking for solutions, and comparing different options. Answer the Public taps into this natural search behavior and presents you with a goldmine of keyword ideas, all neatly organized around questions, prepositions, and comparisons. Let's say you're running an e-commerce store that sells organic skincare products. You could head over to Answer the Public and type in organic skincare. Boom! The tool will generate a visual map of questions people are asking about organic skincare. You'll see questions like, what are the benefits of organic skincare? Is organic skincare better for sensitive skin? Where to buy organic skincare products online? And so much more. This is pure gold for your content strategy. You can use these questions as inspiration for blog posts, articles, FAQs, social media content, and even product descriptions. By directly addressing your audience's questions, you're not only providing valuable information, but also positioning yourself as an authority in your niche. But it doesn't stop there. Answer the Public also shows you preposition-based keywords like organic skincare for organic skincare with, organic skincare without. These keywords give you even more insights into what people are looking for and help you create highly targeted content. For example, you might discover that a lot of people are searching for organic skincare without chemicals or organic skincare for acne-prone skin. This tells you that there's a demand for specific types of organic skincare products and that you should consider creating content or even offering products that cater to these needs. And finally, Answer the Public also reveals comparison-based keywords like organic skincare versus regular skincare or best organic skincare brands. These keywords are crucial for understanding your competition and for creating content that compares your products or services to others in the market. By leveraging the power of Answer the Public, you're not just finding keywords, you're tapping into the heart of your audience's search intent. You're understanding their language, their concerns, and their needs. And that's what sets you apart from the competition and helps you create content that truly resonates. Chapter 3. Uber Suggest, your all-in-one SEO powerhouse. Last but not least, we have Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. This tool provides keyword suggestions, search volume, SEO difficulty, and backlink analysis. It's your all-in-one SEO powerhouse designed to give you a 360-degree view of your website's performance. Uber Suggest excels in keyword research. Keyword Overview gives you search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and cost per click. Keyword Ideas generates related keyword suggestions including long-tail and question-based keywords. Content Ideas analyzes top-ranking content and provides proven content ideas. Backlink Analysis lets you see which websites are linking to you and your competitors. Uber Suggest offers a limited free plan, so you can access many features without spending a dime. Head over to Uber Suggest and start uncovering those hidden keyword gems today. And there you have it, 3 amazing free keyword research tools and the best practices to get started. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools can help you discover the right keywords, drive more traffic, and grow your online presence. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. As your website grows and your audience evolves, you'll need to revisit your keyword strategy and make adjustments along the way. But with the right tools and a data-driven approach, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve your SEO goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more digital marketing tips. Which keyword research tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy keyword hunting!